Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and today I am super excited because it's that time again. Battle of the Boxes between IPSY and Allure. But before we get into all that fun, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel to grow. And leave me a comment. Maybe you get one of these beauty subscriptions and you enjoy it and you've got different products. I'd love to hear from you. So let's get into this. If you're new to the unboxings that I do through IPSY and Allure, they are paid for by me. This is not sponsored, so this is all my money. And they are monthly beauty subscriptions. And so all things beauty, hair, nails, makeup, body lotion, all in the beauty realm is what these packages have each month. And so each month then I unbox them and show you what different types of products they are, and if I've used them before, we're going to try them. So let's start with Allure first. Tower 28 Juice Balm Vegan Tinted Lip Balm in Squeeze. I have not tried this yet. Here's the color of it. It looks really pretty. It's very creamy, so it's very creamy on the skin. So this will be a good one to try. And that was $16. Fresh Black Tea Anti-Aging Eye Cream, $72. Wow, this is $72. I am so surprised. But it's from Fresh. It doesn't say on it what the any ingredients are. It just says anti-aging renewal eye cream. That's it. So advanced. So I guess I'll give this a shot. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow pH and BHA Pore Tightening Toner. I typically don't use a toner, but I love Glow Recipe, so I might give this one a try just to see. But I don't have an oily skin, but we'll give this one a shot. The price on the Glow Recipe was $9.60. Beauty for Certain Cream Highlighter Pearlescent Taupe. Ooh, cream highlighters. I love cream highlighters. I'll give this one a shot. This was $20. Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme pH Tower Amino Acid Cleansing Foam with Hyaluronic Acid Serum and Vitamin C Brightening Serum, $4. So I guess this was just a little tease here. This is just a little travel size, and Innisfree is a good brand, but I got two toners in one, which is strange. Bloom Buds Power Patches for Acne, $8.50. So I don't use patches. I don't get acne, so I'm gonna have to find somebody to give this to. So it's a 12-pack. And it's $8.50, so why not? The total retail price on the Allure box was $130. Now, let's get into the IPSY box. Okay. House Labs Mascara, $29. I have not tried this yet, but anything that Lady Gaga does is gold. It seems like. Ooh, I like the doe foot on that. That's pretty nice. Looks like that would be a lot of volume on that one, so I will give that one a try. $29. That'll work. Kevyn Aucoin Neo Blush in Rose Cliff, This is so, so beautiful. Mine got a little damaged in route, but oh my gosh, the color is in it. I love how it changes from a peachy color to a pinky color. I think that's really, really neat. Very soft, focused, not a whole lot on there. It just gives you a little color there. You can see that, just a little color. And that was $40 for that. Wow. Bisha Duo Lip Liner, $52. I'm like, wow, $52 for just lip liner. Oh, and I've got to get into the package a little bit tougher. So, but they look like on the packaging, it looks like a nice nude pink and a nudie kind of peach. So they hit all the bases, so they look good. So I'll be interested in trying out a $52 lip liner. Odacite Glow Hydra Firm Body Oil, $48. Wow, body oil. I gotta like body oil. Wow, look at that packaging. That's pretty dang cool. It's really oily. It is really, 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 really oily. Holy cow. I gotta get some of this off. It's got a sandalwood kind of scent to it. I'm not opposed to that. And I love body oils. Very nice. Very good. So, it says it's a Sea Glow Hydra Firm Body Oil. It's $48. Dang, got some high-end stuff here. Patrick Ta Beauty Major Dimension Rose Eyeshadow Palette, $70. Wow, this is $70, but look at that beautiful palette there. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to jump into that. And Patrick Ta, holy cow. This definitely paid for the box. So beautiful. Looks like there's two cream shadows too, off to the side. Nice. Very cool. They hit all the bases. There we go there. Okay. Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter, $34. Oh, I love me Makeup by Mario. I love it. They've got such good products. Ooh, man, it's shimmery. You can see it there on the other side. That is beautiful shimmery. Very nice. I'm liking that. Ooh, very beautiful. Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, $43. You know what? I just ran out of this and now I get a replacement product. I am so excited. This is the best powder I have ever used, setting powder. So I love Laura Mercier, so I'm very grateful. Thank you, IPSY. Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Sheer Lipstick, $26. I have this on today and I just love it. It is so creamy. It feels great on my lips. I wore this yesterday. It did not creep into my fine lines and wrinkles around my mouth, so I'm grateful for that. Oh, but it's so creamy and beautiful. Oh, thank you, Fenty Beauty. Elemis Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum, $99. Wow, this is $99. I don't have anywhere else to try this on at. Wow, and I love Elemis. Elemis is one of my favorite top skincare lines. So I'll be giving this one a try. It says Advanced Firming Complex. Firms, smooths, and brightens. So we'll see how that is. So, yay rah. I need to say that this IPSY is an icon box. And so an icon box every quarter is upgraded to the icon box if you pay for that extra. I think it's an extra 15, maybe 20 bucks. and then you'll get more high-end products like you see that I have here, which the Patrick Ta, the Laura Mercier, the Makeup by Mario, Elemis, Kevin Aucoin. So they're all high-end products. And so, how many did I get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 products, so wow. So, and that retails for $441. So in my opinion, I think IPSY won. I was really sort of, even if IPSY was a regular box, I'm still disappointed in Allure. It really didn't have the products that I felt were a little more high-end. They could have added a little bit more high-end to that. So I'm not real crazy about Allure. So I'm really happy with the IPSY box, of course. So let me know your thoughts, which one you like, which one fits your skin and makeup and type better. So, and I want you to know, as always, I so care about you. I love you. I pray for you. I hope you are living your best life. And I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.